lonesome, pissed off, who wants some? I'm fighting for my soul, God, get at your boy. You try to bogart, fall back, I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off, who wants some?
I see them long, hard times to come.
What's up, everybody? Got a question? I brought this up a couple months ago, a month ago, I don't know. I'm having problems with my comments, my videos. As in, I haven't had any. Like, I go look, there's no comments. Although it tells me there's comments, I go to look at them, there's none there. I go and check the approval ones, everything. I never have any comments on the past 2 or 3 videos. I sent an email to fucking YouTube, yada yada yada, you know, they did their thing. The other night, me and Mothman sitting there talking on the phone, and out of nowhere my phone just goes fucking crazy with the comments. All of a sudden they just started coming through from the last 2 or 3 videos. I went ahead and replied to last week's videos, to all the comments on there. I'm sure you guys saw that. I know, I mean, like I said, you know, I haven't seen them, so yeah, they're a little bit late, but I still have a lot more to reply to, so you guys will probably be seeing that come through. So I always try to reply to my comments. I appreciate you guys watching and making comments. So I'll probably see me replying to some of y'all's comments, even though video's 2-3 weeks old, something like that. I apologize, but hopefully they got it fixed and they start working again. Now on to the weather. I mean, y'all can see it's sunny, a little bit of like real light cloud in the skies. It's 89 degrees right now. It's a pretty nice fucking day. But this is it. Last one. Our weather is turning to shit. Last week, the last week and a half, we've had pretty lower temperatures, low 70s, shit like that. What the hell's going on here? This will be the last nice day. So riding season is on its way to an end, unfortunately. Problem with living with the Midwest, you know, you're limited. And don't get me wrong, I know some of y'all already packed your bikes up for the year because, you know, Canada or living way north, especially northeast. Whoa! And take it easy there, shirtless grandpa. Anyway, so, and I don't want to hear shit from you fucking California, Texas people, Florida motherfuckers who get to ride all year long. Kiss my ass. Damn, this road is, it's not really chip seal, but damn, man, that shit is, that gravel's loose. Make you feel like you got a flat tire. Unfortunately, my riding season has come to the end. You cocksuckers that get to ride all year long, well, whatever. And yeah, I could ride all year long if I want to wear the gear and be cold. No thank you. I've said it before, I'm 43 years old. I've been riding since I was knee-high to a double-packered billy goat. I have nothing left to prove to anybody. I want to ride my nice warm truck. That's what I'm gonna do. So, wow, damn, this road is fucked up. So yeah, riding season coming to a close soon. Got enough content right now to put out a few week videos. I got some backlogs. Today I'm trying to record as much as I can. Right now I only have 2 ideas for 2 videos, so what am I gonna do, you know? I'm sure I'll have a couple more nice days that I can ride and make some more content for everybody, but we'll see. Y'all got big plans for the winter? At all? Anything like that? Big ideas? Let me know. But anyways, yeah, that's gonna be the end of this one. Just a quick little update on the comments and the weather. My life is fucked, but I love living here. I love living here, I really do. Anyways, so if you're new here, hit that subscribe button if you'd like. Check out a few of the other videos. Don't forget to hit that like button. It helps us content creators out. Hit that share. Share it with your friends and family, loved ones, everybody. Leave a comment. Hopefully they work and I can reply to everybody. That sucks, man. That was a pretty cool spot. So anyways, dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.